In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to your Shopify store. First of all, you need to open your Shopify dashboard and go to the settings. Right here in this menu, you need to find domains and click on it. Then you need to select connect existing domain in the top, and you need to paste your domain name. If you don't remember your domain, you can go to the Porkbun, log into your account, then you need to scroll down your profile menu and go to the domain management. Right here, we'll see your domain name. You can copy it and you can paste it right here, then click next. And now we need to update our DNS. We need to add A and C name records to our domain. So let's go back to the Porkbun. We need to click DNS under our domain name. First of all, we need to click the name servers, and we need to make sure that we are using the default Porkbun name servers. So we need to click use our default name servers and click submit. Then we need to click on DNS under our domain name. When you open the DNS records page, you need to scroll a little bit down, and right here you need to find quick DNS config and select Shopify. Then click OK. And our DNS will be successfully updated. Now we need to go back to the Shopify and click on I updated DNS records. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you. We successfully connected our Porkbun domain to the Shopify store. Now it will take from few minutes to 24 hours and your domain will be ready and connected to the Shopify. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.